Bonjour. Je m'appelle Mrs. Adamson. Ça va? Whoa. I've been traveling all over. I already speak a different language. Whoa. So I guess as we move forward, you might be able to start guessing where I am at. Remember, starting tomorrow, I'll be releasing videos and you will have clues to guess where I am located. So keep learning about the continents and hopefully you can figure out where in the world am I because you never know where I'm going to be exploring next. So day 2, welcome. You are going today do an interactive activity, which means you are going to be on Google Slides and you are going to be practicing the continents and the oceans. So on this very first slide, you have to match the continents. So you should be singing that song that I taught you in the last few videos. You should be singing North America, South America, Europe, and Asia, Africa, and Australia. Antarctica is at the bottom because it's very cold. Brr. All right, so we are going to practice with Antarctica. So Antarctica is at the very bottom of our Earth. So you are going to grab Antarctica and place it right above where the green land already is. If you don't have it positioned perfectly, that is a-okay. Just try your best to get it where it needs to be. So that is what you do on this first activity. You drag the continent name and color to the green spot on the map. On the second slide, you are going to now drag the name to the correct location. You will have a test later on when we are done with maps over the continents and over the oceans. So this is a really good practice to help us learn. So we sing our song again. North America, South America, Europe, and Asia, Africa, and Australia. Antarctica is at the bottom because it's very cold. Brr. Since we worked on Antarctica on the last one, I'm going to just go ahead and drag Antarctica for this one. So you just grab it and you pull it. Now, sometimes it messes up like mine just did, and you just keep trying to grab it until you can get it and move it. Let's try it again. Now I see why you guys can't do it sometimes because this thing is a little tricky. All right, there we go. I dragged it and I dropped it right where the location is. And I don't care if you put it there, you move it over a little bit. It doesn't have to be perfectly centered. And the next slide. Now you are going to label the oceans. We're kind of on a cold theme right now. So we did Antarctica. There's not an Antarctica ocean, but another cold area I talked about is at the tippy top of our world, and that is the Arctic Ocean. So I'm going to grab this Arctic Ocean name and I'm going to drop it right where it is located on the map. And then after you are done with that, you are now going to explore each continent. Remember, you want to learn as much as you can about the continents because I will be visiting each one and you're going to get clues and have to guess where I am. So you have to do some learning on your own so you can get some information about the continents to help you with your guesses. So next you will learn about North America. You are going to click on a separate link. You're going to click on it. It will open up. You are going to read as much as you can about North America. Yes, you do need to read this because who knows, that might show up on a test. You are going to learn all about North America. Then go back to your slide and you're going to type 2 interesting facts you learned on these sticky notes. So one would go right here and one would go right here for a total of 2 facts. Yes, you can have more, but I'm only asking for two, okay? Then you'll do the next slide, which is Africa. You will click on the outside link. It'll take you to a different website. And once you are there, you will read all about Africa and explore all the different locations. And you can click on all these different areas and it will tell you more about that, which is so neat. And again, I may be in Africa one of these days on the Guess Where I Am video. So you will want to learn as much as you can about these continents. I'm going to keep saying that over and 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 over. All right, and then you'll go back and you'll tell me a fact here and you'll tell me a fact here, and that's a total of 2 facts about Africa. And you will continue on through the continents, learning and reading about each one. So by the time you are done, you should do all the continents and you should have 2 new facts for each. And guys, the facts need to come from this website. Please don't go to some other random website and look up information. That will not be what I am looking for. I am looking for specific things that were on those website links that I gave you, okay? So make sure you're using the stuff that I put on these slides. So again, starting tomorrow, well, whenever you watch this video, starting sometime this week, it depends on when you watch this video. I will be having you guess where I am located. So keep learning and keep exploring, and of course, keep wondering. All right, guys.